Just thought I'd. Hello, Lily. Just thought I'd show you my compost bin, which we've been adding to throughout the year, and it is doing okay. This was one of our giant pumpkins, which sadly started to rot down, so it's been chucked in here. And we've got some straw, some vegetable matter, kitchen peelings, bit of sheep poo, and leaves, which will break down into leaf mould too. So I'm quite pleased with that. It's about 3/4 full, and this will be added when I plant out my butternut squash. So what can you add? Anything from the kitchen. I tend to avoid onions, and I don't put any citrus peel in, but banana peel, eggshells, any other vegetable peelings, and I've got some straw in there. So I tend to do green stuff, brown stuff, bit of straw, the odd bit of grass clippings, but ours is a self-mulching mower, so I don't get much of that. And it turns within 3 or 4 months into a lovely compost. You can also chop up and add nettles to this, which is pretty good as well. So there you go, compost.